How to set the phone to self-destruct after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock the device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, in here, you want to tap on secure lock settings, then put in the current PIN or password, and then tap on continued. Next, tap on auto factory reset and switch it on. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, if someone try to put in the password, and if they keep guessing after 20 incorrect attempts, your phone will self-destruct and erase all the data on the device, and hence all your data will be safe and secure, provided that you have already backup a copy somewhere. Otherwise, you will also not be able to access the data. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.